Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini best. To get started, always aim for clarity in your requests. Think of Gemini as a highly capable assistant. The more precise your instructions, the better its output will be. For example, instead of just write something, try write a short, engaging social media post about the benefits of morning exercise for a health and wellness audience. This level of detail makes a big difference. When crafting your prompts, consider the desired outcome. Do you need a formal email, a casual blog post, or a technical explanation? Clearly state the tone, such as professional or humorous, and specify the length, like around 200 words. Providing examples of the style you prefer can also significantly improve the quality and relevance of Gemini's generated content, making your interactions much more productive. Gemini offers many advanced features to explore. You can ask it to summarize lengthy articles into concise bullet points, saving you valuable time. For creative projects, challenge Gemini to write a short story, a poem, or even song lyrics on a specific theme. Its coding assistance is also incredibly useful, whether you need help debugging a small script or generating code snippets for a new project. Experiment to discover its full potential. To truly maximize your productivity with Gemini, always review and refine its outputs. Think of it as a collaborative process. You provide the initial direction, and Gemini offers a strong starting point. Don't hesitate to ask for revisions or provide further instructions to fine-tune the results. Integrating Gemini into your daily tasks, from drafting emails to brainstorming ideas, can significantly boost your efficiency. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.